lead, 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 guide, 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 direct, 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 manage, 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 command, 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 lead. For example, John leads his team not just by instructions, but by setting an example with his actions. Guide. For example, as a mentor, he guides the new interns through complex processes at work. Direct. For example, please direct your team to prioritize the urgent tasks. Manage. For example, she manages a team of over 30 employees, ensuring projects are completed on time. Command. For example, he commanded the employees to complete the report immediately.